a car. They are going to a camping. But suddenly, their car cracked into some big rock. Their car cracked and they ran away.
They ran away from the fire.
And my kid got hurt. I need to get it to the hospital. But I gonna put it to the bed. For him get hurt a lot. And I will walk him to the hospital. And I carry him and run into the hospital. I swim to the hospital. I make sure him can breathe.
It's
And I run into there. I know they're gonna take a while, but suddenly it will be. Wait, sorry. And finally, I hear, Doctor, help! Doctor, help me! Okay, sir. Put your daughter.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Put your side in the room. Now, play. So, and I run to the bed. And I run to the bed. Put him to the bed. We get out, sir. They gotta be careful. And I wait. I think I need to help him. I think it will took him 5 years up here. I mean 1 day. I will talk to the dad. Your kid got a head break. Oh no, really? Oh man, I will take him to a camping. Oh, that's so bad.